What's going on, everyone? Got a 2023 Volkswagen Jetta key fob here, and today I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery. So first thing you're going to want to do is flip the key open, and what we're going to do next is remove this back panel here. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver. You can use like a butter knife too, and we're just going to pry this panel right off. All right, I'm going to stick the screwdriver in here, and well, I guess you can say you can put it in about midway in, I guess, and just pop it up like that. Okay, not breaking it or anything like that. Once you get it up, you can see that the battery's here. Now this is where this little pocket screwdriver works out well, because there's a little slot right here that's pretty much just a little smaller than this guy. I'm going to use that to get this battery out. I'm going to use the corner. It just pops out like that. I'll show you what size the battery is. The battery is a CR2032 size, and I'll have a link down in the description box. It takes you to Amazon if you need to pick up a battery. They're like $1.25, so check that out. I also have the size down there too if you need the size again. But we just stick the new battery in the right side first. Okay, we're gonna call that the right side. Lock it down in there like that, and then snap the cover back on. This guy can be a little hard to put on, but you just snap it on. This left side goes in first, and then snap it in like that, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit that like button or leave me a comment, and hope to see you again in another video.